If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then this video is for you. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. First of all, I hope guys all of you are doing well and ready for today's video. As usual, I'll give you a lot of tips, advice and things that will help you with your trading. But before we start, those of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss anything. This our YouTube channel, as you can see, it's called We Trade Waves here, and if you scroll down, you will see all our videos here. Those of you who haven't watched it yet, go here guys and watch the trading psychology session. It's very important. And this was our last forecast. Thank you very much for all of you are liking, commenting and sharing on a weekly basis. As usual, I'll share actually the forecast for the list that you can see here to the right side of the screen. The XY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, US30, and we'll discuss a lot of tips, like I said, that will help you with your trading. So I'm repeating, keep watching till the end, do not miss anything. DXY for this one guys, with all the storm that is happening in the markets, and most of you are following actually the tariffs war. So for this one, still market is moving as expected. So we have said to you before, and then like most of you should remember, the direction regarding the XY. I'm repeating that guys because market's still moving as expected since the start of the year, even before that. So for this one, as most of you remember, if you are following us or not, if not, go back and watch our previous video. It's very important. So for this one, like I said, here and here, exactly the same thing happening. So for this, we've got this corrective structure up, 110. I'm repeating this one, guys, again, especially for those who are new to We Trade Waves. If you are new to We Trade Waves, go and watch some of the previous forecasts. Everything is on our YouTube channel. It's live, it's public for all of you, okay? So back to the 4 hours. After this one, what happened? Last week, I said to you guys, the first part of the week, the XY is toward the upside, right? So we've got here this up wave, we've got this corrective structure, and we've got this up move. If you traded this one, you must have made money. If I go to the 1 hour now, just for this one, just to show you the structure, here we've got this impulsive wave to the upside, we've got this corrective structure, and this was a buy, okay? Market gave us a contracting flat. Instead of regular, it gave us a contracting flat. No problem, we've made some money here, and after that, market started to fall. This drop was after the CPI. CPI data were bad for the dollar, and market started to fall. In case you don't know, the CPI actually came a bit low, which means inflation is getting lower, which means most probably Fed is going to be maybe lowering the interest rates. We'll wait for decision next month in May, but this is what they want basically. So all the economic indicators, guys, that you are seeing, this is exactly what I would say USA want. So for this one, that's why we have seen dollar is falling. Like I said to you before, Trump wants dollar to be weak. Why is that? What's behind this one? I have explained this in detail during the last Q&A session for WTW Pro members. And the last Q&A session, it was conducted last Wednesday as well. If you go here just to show you where you can find it, as soon as join WTW Pro, you will get access to this one, to the dashboard. And if you go to the monthly Q&A session here, just to show you this one quickly, this actually where I have explained regarding this one in detail during this April 9 session. It was at 7 p.m. By the way, you can find all the recordings here for the previous Q&A sessions. So this was actually where I've explained to people, I would say to our members, regarding how to invest, what strategy to apply during these situations and during these times. And again, I explained in detail what was regarding this drop here, behind this drop, and what is next. For that, if you want to know how to invest, how to apply actually investment strategies, and how to trade the next wave, you have to join and watch the Q&A sessions recordings as well. They are very important. So back to this one. The direction we said to you guys, the direction is toward the downside. Regardless, whatever will be happening here is a corrective structure or part of it. So what happened here technically, Alan? Technically, market went to the upside, give us the C wave of the bigger regular flat for the XY. After that, market dropped, give us a pullback, drop, corrective structure drop, expanding flat here, drop, a contracting flat here. Again, this for the wave analysis. And after that, we've got this drop after CPI. By the way, this was explained in detail during the Wednesday session conducted by T for WTW Pro members. Again, guys, I'm repeating, those of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to check our website. This is our official website here, WeTradeWaves.com, as most of you know, and you can check the Trustpilot. And of course, once you click here to join WTW Pro, you will get access. I would say you will see this page, all right? So in this one, if I just zoom out just for you to see it in detail, these are the features that you will get once you join WTW Pro. If you want to jump, guys, to the next level and be with like-minded people, be with successful traders, this is what you have to do. Join WTW Pro, try us for 1 month. If you don't like, you can cancel anytime. And to show you a proof what our members are doing, look at this one before I jump to the XY next, yeah? So this is actually our Discord community. You will get access to this one from day one once you join. Again, If you want to keep doing what you are doing, you'll be wasting your time and money. It's up to you. We don't mind actually. But if you want to level up, join a successful community and become an independent, successful trader, this is the solution and this is the opportunity for you. All right? It's up to you. So for this one, look at this. This is 5th of April, last Saturday. So from last Saturday till now, look how many success stories we've got inside the Discord, inside our community. Memo, he actually, he got this one. Fantastic Memo. Good job. If I scroll down, Ali as well, he passed this. Funded challenge. If I scroll down, Kunal is making 700 pips here, as you can see, for this trade, for these trades. Bilal as well is making fantastic profits here. Very good, Bilal. You are doing good job. If I scroll down as well, Bilal again here for the next batch, I would say. If I scroll down, Christian, this only guys for the past 7 days, I'm giving you this, yeah? Most of you know how many success stories we have before, and if not, you can check everything on our website. If you go down, Kunal as well is making good profits. More down, Kunal one more time. And Tommy, actually, it was the best week for him. Tony was investing as well, Nvidia, Tesla, and some of the stocks that we were mentioning. If we scroll down as well, Christian, he passed phase 2. So these are just the success stories, guys, in the past 7 days only. And just to be clear with you, we are not a trading signal. We will teach you how to trade alone, how to be independent, successful trader. And if you join our community, you will get everything you want, from the resources to the support to everything. Of course, to the masterclass course, to the strategies, to everything you need to become independent, successful trader. If you want to keep following the signal services, it's up to you. You will never be able to be successful trader by following that. So back to the charts. Alan, what's happening? This is the daily chart for DXY. Like I said, the structure now broke this low. As you can see, this low is taken, which means the structure is complete. Structure is complete. That doesn't mean market needs to go up. All right. So in this one, if we need to speak technically based on wave analysis, the structure here is ready to push to the upside. Do we think it's ready to go up? I don't think so. So for the XY, I'm still expecting market to give me a corrective structure first. So first thing first, to the upside, a corrective structure, like as what I said last week, the same thing. Corrective structure first to the upside, and after that, another drop will be coming before the next push up. So this is what I can see market will be doing. Which wave to trade is up to you. For us, we will be focusing on the buy setups first, and if we get a sell setup after, we'll go for it. Will this be one of our trades of the week or not? This will be explained in detail by T during the Sunday session tomorrow for WTW Pro members. How to get access to that? You check the website and you can join from there. All right. So DXY, this is what I can see market will be doing next. Euro dollar for this one. This was one of our trades of the week as well. It was again perfect. We've got this pullback, corrective structure drop, again contracting flat, and then this up wave. Again, guys, this up wave was due to the storm regarding the tariffs war in the market, plus due to the CPI data that came actually again last Thursday. And like I said, CPI were bad for the dollar, and most probably if Fed will be lowering the interest rates, you will see actually market, again, we have a lot of volatility. So again, for this one, the details will be explained in detail regarding this, I would say, section, or regarding this theory will be explained in detail tomorrow at the start of the Sunday session by T. Do not miss it if you want to get the idea regarding the geopolitics, regarding fundamental analysis and technical analysis. All of this will be covered in detail tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. Again, guys, just to let you know regarding something, there's a big debate between the traders. Do we go for fundamental analysis or technical analysis, Alan? Remember something. Fundamental analysis is very good for position traders to give you the bias in the long term, to give you the direction. But wave analysis and technical analysis will give you the timing for execution. So you have to know both to get the better win rate. If you do fundamental analysis, you will get better win rate. Better win rate means actually more money, right? So for this one, fundamental analysis are very, very important. Usually hedge funds and position traders and traders who trade for the banks, they go for fundamental analysis. For you as a day trader, as a scalper, as a person who want to make actually the trade for the next few hours, fundamental analysis, it will not help you. It's actually the reverse. If you will follow the Forex Factory news and you will start to gamble the next wave, you will keep losing money. You get me? So it's totally different story. It's totally different topic. You have to get the knowledge, guys, before you start risking your money. All right. So seek for knowledge, join us, get the knowledge, and after that you can risk whatever you want to risk. Okay. So back to the charts. Euro dollar. For this one, Mark gave us a corrective structure up. What's next? Again, corrective structure, one push up is what I can see next for euro dollar. Until something fundamentally happens, then the structure might change. But for now, based on the current market conditions, based on the current structure, corrective structure, another push up for euro dollar. All right. Pound dollar for this one, it's again, market went to the downside. It gave us this break and then went up. This was the perfect trend continuation setup for WTW Pro members. Our members who trade pound dollar, this is the best setup. They made a lot of money trading this up wave alone. Now, this one turns out to be an impulsive wave. It's not a corrective structure. In all the cases, the first wave was toward the upside, right? Most of you know that. So we've got this up wave, corrective structure up. Instead of this being a corrective structure, this turns out to be an impulsive wave. Now, what's next? Corrective structure. One push up is what we can see next for pound dollar. And this will turns out to be what? A liquidity grab under this one, and the market will push to the upside. Okay, so pound dollar, corrective structure, one push up is what I can see next. It's up to you if you know how to trade or not. If not, you can join and learn all the strategies from inside. Gold for this one, market went to the upside, exactly same thing, exactly same pattern, exactly same structure like here. This was explained again in the previous videos, guys. For all of you, you can go back and check it. It's up to you. But again, for this one in a bigger scale. We've got the structure, corrective structure up, drop, market took everybody here, like everybody out here in this liquidity grab. And then after that, we've got this up wave, corrective structure, and all the way up to break the top. Of course, guys, the gold driven is the tariffs war and what's happening worldwide, geopolitics between US and China. Risk management and money management are essential, guys, in these situations. So you cannot trade without stop loss, you cannot over risk, you cannot overtrade. You should not trade without stop loss. That's the main thing, and never ever add to losing position. As example, those of you who trade stocks, if you are a trader, you might lose big, and if you are actually an investor, there's an opportunity for you, right? So once I go to US30, I'll explain that. Anyway, gold, what's happening? Allen, market is at all-time high again. What should we do? Should we buy gold? No. Gold actually will give us a corrective structure, one push up, and then the drop will be coming. For me, I'm a seller for gold at the moment. Of course, depending on the situation, depending on the macro factors, and depending as well on the geopolitics situation and all the policies that are announced on a daily basis. But again, structurally now, gold is ready to make another drop. Allen, gold, especially the upside, man, like how should we sell? If you want to go and buy from here, it's suicide, guys, all right? Just to be clear, it's suicide to buy from here. You want to do it, it's up to you. I'm not giving you a signal. I'm not actually pushing you or saying to you what you need to do. I'm sharing my point of view. It's up to you if you are convinced with it or not. If you are here to look for signals, again, I'm afraid, but you will lose big time. Do not follow me blindly. Do not follow anyone blindly. Seek for knowledge. Where do you get the knowledge? From WTW Pro membership. Okay? So again, for this one, gold, corrective structure, one push up, and then a drop is expected. This is the wave, and this is the move that we will trade if we get the setup. I repeat that, if we get the setup, because without the setup, we will not jump in. All right? Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the upside. Again, in the daily chart, the daily picture, and market is ready to push the upside, like we said before, right? So we've got this drop, market start to push to the upside. I go to the 4 hours. Instead of this being a corrective structure, this turns out to be an impulsive wave. The direction was toward the upside anyway, all right? So one push up, this was an impulsive wave. What's next? Corrective structure. Another push up is what we can see next for Aussie dollar. Again, which wave to trade is up to you. For us, we'll wait for the corrective structure to go for the buy, or we might trade this one depending on the setup and depending on the structure. All right? New Zealand dollar, exactly the same. Nothing is changing here. Market actually went to the downside. You broke this low, by the way. Small corrective structure drop, broke the low, and the market start to push up very fast. What's next? Corrective structure. Another push up is what we can see next for New Zealand dollar. After this up wave, we'll update you later. Dollar yen for this one, again, it's the same, like it's a dollar pair. So we've got the corrective structure. This was again the structure here, and then another drop. What's next is the same thing. Market can give us a corrective structure here for one more push down. After this drop, we'll update you. For now, up and then drop after. Which wave to trade again is up to you. For us, we'll wait for market to give us a corrective structure before the next drop. Dollar Swiss for this one, market went all the way down, and if you go to the daily, just to show you something here, look at this one. This structure, guys, is about to finish. Anytime market give us a buy setup, we will go for it. Dollar Swiss, guys, do not miss the buy setup. It's one of the pairs that you have to look for, you have to look at, and this structure is almost ready to push to the upside. Any buy setup we get here, we'll go for it. You can wait for market to give you one more fall, one more drop, or not, is up to you again. So for this one, again, corrective structure drop, and then up again. This is the wave, and that's the move that we'll be focusing on. If you want to sell from here, again, it's suicide. Until you have a very good strategy, you can go for it. Before that, or without that, you might be risking your account. Dollar CAD for this one, market has fallen to the downside. We've got the structure here. Again, we've got this drop. This one turns out to be a contracting flat and then a drop. After this drop, corrective structure is expected before the next fall. This for dollar CAD. Again, you want to go for the buy, it's up to you. You want to wait for the sell, it's up to you. That's what we can see next for the structure, and this is what we can see next for dollar CAD. USOIL, for this one, market dropped, start to push up again. So for this, like we said before, after this up, market needs to give us a buy setup. We've got this up. What's next? For this one, market give us a corrective structure like this, one more fall before the next up wave. This is the structure, guys, what we can see next for USOIL. If we get a buy setup after this drop, you can go for the buy. This will be a good trade to the upside. Bitcoin, for this one, market again is at the same level, but still we are biased to the upside. Nothing is changing. This is a corrective structure, and then after that, market will push to the upside very hard. They are just waiting for one announcement. They are just waiting for the market to stabilize and for the tariff war to stop, because once this happens, you will see this one, guys, pushing to the upside very hard to break the top and make new all-time high again. If this will fall to the downside to this level, up is the move. So for Bitcoin, for the cryptocurrencies, we are biased to the upside. US30, for this one, like I said to you before, the structure has changed here and we've got this drop. So for investors, this is an opportunity. For traders, they might be in trouble. So for this one, as most of you remember, Trump actually have paused the tariffs for the next 90 days for the countries, just they kept it for China. So for this one, you see market rebounded to the upside. So for this, even if market push to the downside, this might be a trend continuation setup, guys, all right? If the situation will go to be worse, for this one, we might see this going to the downside to break this low once more. But again, even if this happens, this will be an opportunity for you guys to go for the buy again, those who are investing. And this was explained in detail, like I said, in the last Q&A session for WTW Pro members. How to get access to it, you know that. But for this one, we'll wait for market device corrective structure. If we get a buy setup from here, that's the buy. And this will be a trend continuation setup based on the announcements. And this is purely based on what's happening regarding the trade war, regarding the tariffs war happening at the moment. If things, guys, will start to calm down and they will start to go for the deals, this is what Trump actually is pushing for, of course. If they go for the deal, especially between US and China, if they actually they agree to do a deal, you will see this one pushing to the upside very hard and making new all-time high again. But if the situation will more tariffs to each others, this will be falling again to make a new low. Even if this happens, guys, you should look for the buy setups. Okay, in all the cases, for this one, I'm biased to the upside, even with this structure change. Here you can see how market rebounded to the upside. Again, the details for this one, if this will be one of our trades of the week or not, this will be explained in detail by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. Do not miss this session, guys. It will be important, like I said. With that note, you trade with care, guys, and see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.